Hello and welcome. Welcome back to another video. I'm Trip, and in this video we're doing a cheap, easy, quick suspension mod to your FRS BRZ 86 twin. So I picked up this Whiteline wheel subframe lockout bushings. Essentially go between your wheel subframe and the frame of the car. That way the car has some sort of cush to it, but the factory ones have too much. The real subframe will actually move a good bit, which I will post a video here. As you see, this kit comes with bushings, some lube for a good time, and detailed instructions. So this should be pretty straightforward. I'm just going to go ahead and do this outside since it shouldn't take too long. I don't feel like playing car shuffle between the Lotus and this thing. So let's get started. You really don't need much for this job. Main things you need is jack stands, a 19 mil or 3/4, and a ratchet, a 12 mil or 14 mil, maybe some picks and screwdrivers and prying ball for the little, it's like a little trim piece you gotta pull out. And you can do it without taking the wheels off, but it will make it a little bit easier. Okay, now I got the subframe supported by my jack. We can see what we're looking with, or trying to get to. The wheel of the subframe is this bolt here, right above your sway bar link. So this bolt has to come out, because your bushings go between this washer and the upper frame. And the front ones are here. So you gotta drop this little plate here in the corner, so you can insert your bushings between that washer and this washer.
Idiot!
Okay, all 4 bolts are out of the subframe. Now I can lower it just a little bit, enough to where we can get the new bushings in there. Okay, I got my bushings ready. Now I need to grease them. You want to grease the face of the bushings where they come in contact with the subframe bushings, and pay close attention to the numbers. These are numbered. These 22s are going to go on top of the subframe, and the ones that say 25 are going to go on the bottom, on the real portion of the subframe. Now on the front portion of the subframe, the 24s, where's that? It's going to go on top, and 25s, it's going to go on bottom. I think it's best to get all 4 of the top bushings in before putting the bottom one in. That way you can jack up the subframe a little bit. That way your bolt hole lines up better. Then put your bottom bushing in. Then hand tight all your 4 bolts. Make sure they're all lined up before zapping them back in. So now I have all 4 of mine in. I have it supported up the jack. Now I can zap it on. Okay, once you got all your bolts ran up, you're going to take the jack out and torque everything to 72 foot-pounds. A big old spiral. Alright, car is done. Got it off jack stands. Now, only thing left is to take it for a test drive. See if it feels any different. Probably won't. It's probably one of those things that probably such a small, minute change, but I probably won't feel it driving around the street. But we'll go anyway. Okay, I'm back from my test drive, and surprisingly it did feel more different than I was expecting. I honestly wasn't expecting on feeling anything, but the wheel definitely feels stiffer, like it's actually part of the car and not floating around back there. Since the wheel and stifle, when the wheel tires break loose, you feel it sooner, just a little bit sooner, which helps you correct it sooner. So that's good. Every little small detail like that helps when you're trying to shed seconds. So if you're looking for a cheap, inexpensive, easy mod to do to your twin, this is a good one. I would recommend it. But if you want to do other suspension mods, I have some other videos for those. So I'll drop a link up here. And hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something. Hope you try this on your own car. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see other videos and you want to see more content. But until next time, peace.